Online scheduling and taking secure payments for home inspectors should be provided by your software provider and integrated with your website. So let's take a look. The first place I want to show you is squareup.com, squareup.com. You go to business types, professional services. I chose home and repair, and you can run everything with one system. You can collect payments like this with a little contactless device. You can take payments online. You can request payments using your mobile device. You can also use hardware to print out a receipt. So all of these things you can do in your home office or when you're at the job. And they also have a feature to book appointments online. And you can let your clients schedule appointments, inspection jobs, online through your website. Okay, so that's Square at squareup.com. Now, software providers. There's HomeGauge. You go to Home, scroll down to Inspectors. And there you'll find an all-in-one system. They have an online scheduling system, and they also can collect payments. There's another software provider, Home Inspector Pro. Scroll down to Office Features. They take scheduling and online payments. And all of that is integrated with your website. Let's take a look at Spectora. Let's see what they provide. Scroll down their page, and they also do reports and report writing, but they take scheduling, and they also do, under automation, online scheduling, inspection reminders, and getting paid. So Spectora has an embed code, just like HomeGauge and Home Inspector Pro, and you get that embed code for online scheduling, and you embed it into your website. And then through your report software, you can manage taking secure payments. Let's take a look at another software, Inspector Toolbelt. Inspector Toolbelt says that they have all the features you need, including back office that's built in and automated marketing, and they take payments and scheduling. How about another software provider, Home Inspector Tech? Home Inspector Tech has a scheduler that's integrated with your calendar, and they take online scheduling and taking secure payments. Now, what about other software providers? Go to Home Inspector Newsletter, homeinspectornewsletter.com, read the latest issue, and scroll down, and you'll see advertisers like InternetGPay. They can help you with taking secure payments as well. And then you have an online scheduling system and an embed code, and you can manage your appointments. And you can also take payments as well, secure payments. And you put all of that integrated with your website. Where do you get a website? Nachi.org/website. And InterNACHI's official vendor for website design is FastSite for You. Let's take a look at their website. Let's see what's included. And they design websites with this big team of designers with free edits and updates. And a domain and company emails are included, SEO and analytics are included, hosting is included, and online scheduling and taking secure payments, that's included with their website design as well. And that company is fastsiteforyou.com. So choose that third-party provider for online scheduling that can be embedded on your website and taking secure payments. I recommend going with your software provider so that you can manage everything under one umbrella, including report writing, scheduling, management, business tools, marketing, and taking secure payments. And then you go to your provider and request the embed code to put that online scheduling feature on your website, designed by InterNACHI's official vendor for website design, fastsiteforyou.com. Okay, that's a quick tip about online scheduling and payments and websites.